Today we're making a lightsaber for Grogu. Hit that subscribe button if you like making props, just like me. Right, it's time to look for some parts. Going through the drawer, sure there's something in here somewhere. I managed to find the perfect parts. Look at that, they managed to fit together perfectly. Then all we need to do is add some little details on top. This will do perfectly for a button. Too big. Aha! A Grogu sized D-ring. Let's just cut this part down to size. We made a little slit in this so that we can slide this over and still have a little hole in the lightsaber. File that down, get rid of the sharp edges. Now we're just going to widen this hole that was in the pipe. Bit of sanding and getting rid of this label off the back. Take sandpaper to all this metal and take off all this black coating. We'll leave a little bit on there just so it gives it a little bit more of a weathered look. And then just simply screw that D-ring in. And finally we can assemble all the parts. And there we have it. It's a little Grogu sized lightsaber. Please remember, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, why not check out one of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.